Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a review on the Extreme Fingerboards G5 and the marble bench. First off, the G5. It has a green bottom ply. All the other plies, I forget what color they are. Perfectly drilled holes. The kingpin, they're pretty good. I put just that 686 sticker on there. The kicks on it are good, and it doesn't have any concave, which I like. Alright, so that's just the first thing. And next, the marble bench. I love this, the top. I don't know if you can really see that, the shine of it, but it's really smooth. And on the sides, well, down here, the gluing on it. You can't see the glue, can you? No, not really. Kind of you can. And it's perfectly safe. It's perfectly flat. Right, and on the bottom it doesn't look half bad. And then see the right there. Alright, so it's perfectly cut, it's smooth, it's perfectly glued and everything. Alright, so now I'm just going to do a little sesh on it. Just a quick little one. Okay, well, it's not really working right now, so I'll do it from this side. You guys see that? Right there. Alright. And this is without trucks. So, yeah.